What's up guys, welcome back to the Tier 1 channel. Sometimes when we film drills, they need to be filmed in a specific way, usually uncut, showing the target the whole time, something like that, in order to earn the Patrick coin that you can earn by doing them. We're gonna start posting the raw takes of those so you guys can see our run all the way through. Some of them include makeup shots, you can do mulligans, all that kind of stuff. Things we typically would cut down to make our regular videos a little more fast-paced for you to watch. But we're gonna start posting the raw footage, starting with this one here. So here's our raw takes of the J3 tactical drill. Let us know in the comments if you like this format, if you wanna see more of this kind of stuff.
And this is 7 yards, 5 yards, 3 yards. Clean timer, or clean target, clean timer. Back out again, running the J3 Tactical Pistol Standards. We shot it yesterday, and I shot it twice yesterday. I failed my first run, shot it again, and shot it clean, but realized this morning after reviewing the footage that I actually shot the wrong course of fire on one of the stages, so that wouldn't count. So we just wanted to get a good film of it, running it clean all the way through. So we'll start at 3 yards. 3 yards, stage 1. It's draw 3 to the A zone, 2 to the head, in 199 or less. I'll put the timer over here so you can see it. Okay, that was a 195. I threw my headshots just high, so we'll run it again. That was again a 195 clean. 3 here. 2 head. So moving on to stage 2, starting at 3 yards, you'll do a retreating draw, fire 2 rounds to the A zone, reload 1 round to the head box in 4 seconds or less. That was a 358 clean. So moving on to stage 3, that'll be at 5 yards. And that is 2 rounds into the 3x5 head box in under 1.99 seconds. Did I say that right? 2 rounds, head box, 199 from 5 yards. That was a 189. Could you see the hits on that?
I think you threaded one like perfectly. I know that was one, and you might have threaded one right into there because your recoil control looked really good.
Okay, so might have keyholed one, but I'll run it again just to confirm. I would have gotten, even if I threw one, I would have gotten a second chance anyways. So we'll run that one again. Okay, saw those 2 hits. Those were clean. That was in a 182. I believe those 2 rounds were right here.
Yep.
Okay, moving back to 7 yards for stage 5. This is a modified fast test or fast drill. 2 reload 4 in 6 seconds from 7 yards. All in the 3x5 head box. So 6 rounds total in the head. Wait. Okay. We actually skipped a step.
Oh, yeah.
There's another one, stage 4. We skipped stage 4. The wind is awesome here. Stage 4 is again at 5 yards. It's 1 round sub-second into the A zone. So let's go back up to 5 yards. Forgot about that one. Okay. Okay, mess up the draw on that one. I'll take a mulligan. You get 2 mulligans per stages, or per stage. Okay, second mulligan. Really trying to go
hard
fast.
this time.
Okay, it looks like that was just outside of the perforation, but that was in a 0.94, so I get a second chance. Okay, that was a 0.96 and it was dead center. I'll show you which one it was. I believe it was this round. Might have been that one, but one of those 2. 0.96. Okay, now we're moving back to 7 yards, stage 5, the modified fast test.
This one's all in the 3x5 card.
Yep, all in the 3x5 card. Okay, I used every bit of time I had. That was a 586, all clean. Line breakers count. Okay, moving back to stage 6, final stage at 15 yards, 1 round A zone in 1.5 seconds or less. So, in case you're wondering, we had to whip out 2 tape measures today. One's pulled out to 25 yards, the other's pulled out to 25 feet, the other's pulled out to 20 feet. Add that together, that's 45 feet or 15 yards.
That was smoking.
A 146, so just within the time.
Couldn't have been a better shot though.
And we're looking at that round right there. Okay, so there you have it. This is the J3 Tactical Pistol Standards, 6 stages. Not a whole ton of rounds, but they're pretty spicy, they're fast, and they're challenging, which we really like. So go check out J3 Tactical. This was actually my cold run. I didn't want to say it before because I would have psyched myself out. I get nervous even when there's nobody watching and I'm just running it by myself, but you get two chances on each stage and 2 mulligans per stage. And I used some of those second chances up, so thankfully we had those. This is a drill you can shoot with him in person, or if you film it correctly, I believe you can submit a video, and he has challenge coins that he awards. So far, I believe there's only been 1 person to complete this set of standards, but both Sawyer and Jack ran it clean yesterday, both phenomenal shooters, so they should be getting their coins soon. So go check out J3 Tactical. Okay, Sawyer's up, round 1 or stage 1, 3 yards, 3 and 2, 199. All right, Sawyer, are you ready?
Yep.
Stand by. 176, all clean. Very good group. Stage 2, retreating 2, reload 1, A zone into the head in 4 seconds. Are you ready?
Yep.
Stand by. Clean in 3.10. Yards, 2 into the head in 199 or less. You ready?
Yep.
Stand by. 157. I think his second shot was just barely high. Nope, second shot hit the 3x5, so that's a grease ring that would count. Just for the sake of, do you want to run it again? Just
Yeah, I'll run it again.
Okay, just to make it obviously clear.
Okay.
2 into the head box, 199. Are you ready?
Yep.
Stand by. 165, clean. So it was one of these 2 and then a keyhole right there.
Oh, yeah.
Stage 4, 5 yards, sub-second, A zone. 1 shot.
Okay.
You ready?
Yep.
Stand by. 89, 0.89, that was clean. Stage 5, this is the 2 reload 4, all in the head box in 6 seconds or less. Are you ready?
Ready.
Stand by. Clean in a 446. Stacked them dead center. Okay, stage 6, 15 yards, 1 round A zone in 150 or less. You ready?
Yep.
Stand by.
Right.
Okay, 124, just a couple inches right. He has a second chance. You ready?
Okay.
Stand by. Roll again. All right,
Okay.
Sawyer, are you ready?
Yep.
Stand by. Clean in a 1-2-0. Let's go check out the target. So this was his first try at the 15.
That was my second.
Yep. So all clean. This one was clean, but we reshot that one anyways just to be safe. So everything in the A zone and the 3x5 index card. J3 Tactical Pistol Standards.
Good standards, challenging and fun.
Yep. All right, so maybe we'll have Jack run it next. Jack is our production and R&D manager here at Tier 1 Concealed. Phenomenal shooter. He doesn't get a lot of camera time because he's a busy man, but he's one of the best on the team. And we're gonna see if he can prove it today. Stage 1, 3 yards, 3 A zone, 2 head box, and 199 or less. We got Jack up. Jack, are you ready? Stand by. A 164, very clean. Stack those head box shots.
Way to stack
That's
those.
keyhole, that's 2 hits right there. And a 164. Okay, stage 2 is a retreating from 3 yards, 2 A zone, slide lock reload, 1 in the 3x5 head box. 4 seconds. Jack, are you ready?
Ready.
Stand by. Clean in a 303. Okay, stage 3 is at 5 yards. It is 2 rounds in the 3x5 head box in 199 or less. Are you ready?
Yep.
Stand by. Clean in a 159. Stage 4 is at 5 yards. It's 1 round in under a second in the A zone. Jack, are you ready?
Yep.
Stand by. Clean in a 084. That was on the line. But 50-50, very clean. Stage 5 is a modified fast test. It's 2 reload, 4 in the 3x5 head box, 6 seconds, 7 yards. Are you ready?
Yep.
Stand by. Okay, well within time, 485, 1 just barely high. Everything was clean, 1 just a little high. He has a second chance, so we'll run it again. Jack, are you ready?
Yep.
Stand by. Okay, 498 clean. Okay, all the hits. 498. So moving on to final stage, stage 6, 15 yards, 1 round A zone in 1.50 seconds or less. Jack, are you ready? Stand by. Mulligan, so you get 2 mulligans per stage. So if you mess up your draw, you can stop and try again as long as you don't fire any rounds. Are you ready?
Yep.
Stand by. dead center in a 1-2-0. Let's go check the hits. That was this one from 15. So that was Jack Clawson, just past the J3 Tactical Pistol Standards. Jack is Tier 1 Concealed's production and R&D manager. So a lot goes on behind the scenes. He's in charge of a lot here. We don't get him out to the range very often because he's so busy, but he is a phenomenal shooter. Definitely one of the best on our team. So go check him out on Instagram. He just recently also passed Donovan Moore's Elite Performance Standards, .1 Tactics. So go check out that video. What'd you think of this drill?
It was tough. Fast drill is probably the hardest one, in my opinion, just because it's so small. Even with the extra time, I'm just used to running 4 into the A zone. So in my head, I'm just like, burn it down. And that's the one I threw on this. So yeah, it's all pretty challenging, but it's good. Good standards.
Yep. All right, so that was the third one, third pass of the day.
Cool, cool.
Very good.
Beep.
Test beep.
All right,
You ready?
ready.
Stand by. Clean in a 190.
All right, and then this one's retreating.
Retreating. Yep. 2 A zone, reload 1 head box, 4 seconds.
Two, reload 1.
Yep.
Okay.
You're ready.
Yep.
Stand by. Clean in a 343.
Nice.
We won't go show those hits real quick.
Let's go check.
5 yards. Draw and shoot 2. Wait. Yeah.
Yep, 5 yards, 2 headshots.
Yep.
Then the sub-second.
Yep. Okay.
What's the time for the 2 headshots?
199.
Ooh, that was a horrible draw. All right.
Are you ready?
Ready.
Stand by. Clean in a 175.
Very nice. Let's go check those.
Those were the 2 on the left.
Those 2 guys. Okay.
All right, 5 yards, stage 4, sub-second A zone, 1 round.
All right.
You ready?
Ready.
Stand by.
Ooh, mulligan.
Okay. You're ready. Stand by. Clean in a .95.
Very nice. This one.
7 yards.
Right there.
Drill, but it's all in the.
And you get 6 seconds.
Yeah, slide lock. Yep, 2 reload 4, head box, 6 seconds. So,
Lots of time.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
All head box, 2 reload 4.
Yep. All right, stage 5, 7 yards. Got it marked on the ground.
Okay.
Miles, are you ready?
Ready.
Stand by.
Mulligan.
Yeah. I was gonna say, take it.
All right.
Stand by. Nice. Clean. 578.
Very
All clean.
Let's go get these.
15 yards. All right, so this is 15 yards. We had the first tape pulled out to 25 feet, and then the second tape pulled out to 20 feet. So it's 45 feet together. or 15 yards. Last and final stage, 15 yards, 1 round, A zone, 1.5. Okay. All right, you ready?
Ready.
Stand by.
Ooh, mulligan.
Okay. Ready?
Ready.
Stand by. Clean. 142.
We done it.
Nice, Miles did it.
Yay!
Didn't even need a makeup. I know exactly which one it was. Or I believe it was that one.
That's a damn good shot at 15.
We did it. We made up for ourselves for me failing last time.
There's your coin.
Thank you.
I'm here all day.
Oh, sorry. We'll add this into that YouTube video now. Cool.
All right. Dope.
Sweet.
Killed it. Didn't even need a makeup.
Nope.
Hell yeah, brother.
142 on that last one.